They have no wind, all right, and the willow tree growing on side of the lake, and you can see the willow is like a weeping right and right, you know, like the, and then your girlfriend and have, you know, under the moon, all right, it's autumn, like the moon during the autumn time, and always very round, very pretty. So it's gives you that kind of atmosphere when you have a date. The lake is pretty and the moon is shining, and you have a beautiful girlfriend on your side, all right? And then they have the and whoever wrote this music give you that kind of, you know, feel, all right? So they're gonna play the first music is like that. And the second one called Han Tian Lei. Han Tian Lei is because in old time China, and the people always farm, all right? When they farm, if we have a long time drought, all right, and of course the rice not gonna grow well. So they always pray, hope, you know, during the summertime, they all have a thunderstorm and they have a lot of rain, a lot of water, and the rice, you know, feel, of course, they're going to grow very good. But the thing is, when everybody hear the thunder, okay, most people are going to say, okay, no, you know, it's a thunder, it's going to have a heavy rain, that's bad. But as those farmers, when they hear thundering, they are very, very happy. And this second piece of music is describe how, you know, people feel when they hear thundering. Right now, let's listen and play. Thank you.